Also, guys, welcome back. So, today hasn't really been good when we're talking about the market, though. Today hasn't really been good because my game plan from yesterday, I was looking to buy the Euro CHF. Yes, the Euro CHF because the AUD CHF was quite, it really didn't have the strength. Euro was stronger when it comes to strength in the market. So I was longing to buy the euro instead of buying the AUD CHF. But coming to the charts today, market has really been consolidating and the price action is not really giving my signal to want to buy. So I'm still waiting, but I will tend to take you guys through the chart and show you what I'm waiting for, what I'm looking for, and why I've still not bought the Euro CHF.
Oh, so guys, this is the chart for the Euro CHF. So what I was looking for, come to our daily time frame. Okay, no, it was from the 4-hour time frame from yesterday. So what I was looking for, I was saying we're looking for price to come into this level. Then we'll look for a bullish fair value gap to the upside. If you should pay attention to the other video I posted earlier today, I said I want price to come into this 1-hour fair value gap before coming down to our level, of which price did. I will have to delete this level. So what I was only waiting for, I was only waiting for a bullish 15 minutes fair value gap from this level for me to take a trade in the 15 minutes time frame. So going to your 15 minutes time frame now, as you can see, this is London section. When I woke up, I was waiting for price to give me a bullish 15 minutes fair value gap, but price was finding it difficult to give the 15 minutes fair value gap. Then I just stayed put and I didn't buy. So if you should look at this place now, for example, this level. So price, what did price do? Price came to my level, then went to the Asian high and swept it and gave a 15 minutes fair value gap to the downside. So if you should go to the 4-hour time frame now, for example, the 4-hour time frame, just with what I'm doing every day, the 4-hour time frame is actually giving a body closure underneath this candle, this rejection candle from this level, and this is giving bearish price action. But if we still want to go to the upside, but the reason why I don't want to sell now is because if you go to your 1-hour time frame, there is no 1-hour fair value gap to the downside for we to say, okay, we want to start selling. And 15 minutes as well, it's just this fair value gap here. I want a double fair value gap to the downside in the 15 minutes. So that being the case, this candle is giving bearish prices, but if I still see like 1-hour fair value gap from this level, I can still look for longs, or I will see 15 minutes fair value gap, double 15 minutes fair value gap, I might still look for longs. But for now, the bears are coming back into the market, the sellers are coming back into the market. So the best thing to do is just to wait and see what price does. So the 15 minutes, there was a 15 minutes fair value gap here. So I was expecting another 15 minutes fair value gap from this leg, but as you can see, price is finding it difficult to go to the upside. So if I should see any body closure, like you see this rejection candle, if I should see let me delete this for a minute. If price should close below this candle low and giving fair value gap to the downside, not sweeping these lows but giving fair value gap, I can look for shorts. But for now, I'm just going to hold on and wait and see what price does. So going to the AUD CHF, I didn't want to buy. As you can see, price literally came to our level, the fair value gap. It didn't actually come into this fair value area. It came into it and it's giving higher prices. But I'm not too convinced because there are so many wicks here. So I'm not too convinced. I'll be convinced when there is a body closure above these highs here. That's when I'll be convinced. If you go to your 1-hour time frame, there is still no fair value gap. So this for me is not clear. So I'm still waiting for more information from price. So that is it. We're just sitting and waiting. So tomorrow is no trade day because on Wednesday, no, tomorrow can be trade day, but Wednesday no trade day because Thursday is CPI, I guess, FOMC. So for now, I'm just sitting and waiting for price to. There might not be trades today because time is not on our side already. So I don't like trading towards the end of the day. If there is no setup, London section and New York section before 4 o'clock my time, I don't tend to go into the market. I'll just wait till the next day. So that's just it for now. Okay, so guys, back to what I was talking about. This is the 15 minutes time frame for what I was discussing with you guys earlier on today, and as you can see, there is this huge move to the upside now, and price from this fair value gap I was talking about, this 15 minutes fair value gap I was talking about, this one here, and you can see I was talking about this rejection candle. Let me come put it close to the camera. I was talking about this rejection candle, yeah. How do I draw this? Okay, I was talking about this rejection candle over here, and as you can see, price didn't literally close below it. Price didn't close below it. So what I'm going to do now is that I said if I will see double confirmation, like fair value gap from this low, I'm saying fair value gap from this fair value gap. Now this is the first fair value gap. Now this is the second fair value gap in the making. So what I'm going to do currently, I'm going to take a buy trade from here. I'm going to take a buy trade from this place. I'm going to cover these lows. Then I'll normally target my 2%. This is 2%. Let me see where the 2% actually hits me. Okay, this is 2%. So this is what I'll be looking for to trade. So I'm going to go to my account, the 100k Alpha Capital challenge. I'm going to go to the account and I'm going to take the trade. So this is my account. I'm going to enter the trade now. This is my stop loss. Market in. I'm going to enter the market from this place. Then target 2%. Then open trade. So this is the trade. I've literally taken the trade now. My ACG account, my Alpha Capital account. So we just wait for price to come into the level, then tag us in, and we wait for price to go. So I'll take profit. Now price, I don't know spreads though, because price actually come to my level, but because of spread, I don't know. I'm not literally tagged in. So we're still going to wait and see what price does. So I've actually taken the trade already. So I'm going to update you guys on everything. So for now, we just have to wait. Okay, the price have actually tagged me in. So we're currently on the trade. And I'm going to update you guys on everything, how we're going to manage the trade. And if I should see 5 minutes fair value gap or 15 minutes fair value gap to the upside again, I'm going to set my stop loss to break even. So for now, we just have to wait and see what the market does. But I'm still expecting bullish prices to the upside, at least to this level. If I should come to my 1 hour time frame, there is literally no fair value gap again to the upside. So I'm still expecting more of bullish prices. If you should see the 4 hour time frame, I'm still expecting bullish prices to this, probably this level, this body close here. So the 2% we're actually looking for is still within our contest. So go back to my 15 minutes time frame. What is the 15 minutes time frame doing? And the take profit actually it actually aligns with the Asian and London highs as well. We're actually running at a loss, but regardless, we accept the outcome. But one thing I like about this trade, if I should go down to my trading view, it will be much clearer. One thing I like about this trade is that Although this is a huge momentum to the downside, though, but we just wait. What I like about the trade is that market literally swept London lows. So I would say this is like a 15-minute sweep. Yeah, market actually swept these London lows, gave this first fair value gap and this second fair value gap. So I'm still leaning towards bullish though, and I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to close this trade once we get to the London lunch hour. I'm going to close the trade because I don't like trading after the close of the day. So regardless, I'll keep you guys updated. So updates, we're actually in a use drawdown. Remember I said we want to, this was the level we bought from. This was the level we bought from. So we're actually in a use drawdown. I should show you my, I'm actually in $200 and something loss currently. So what I'm going to do now is we're still going to wait, but if I should go to my trading view, I'm waiting for price to probably sweep this candle that gave the buy. I'm waiting for price to sweep it and not create a 15 minutes fair value gap, because 15 minutes fair value gap coming into where we want to buy from is really not nice for trade. It means there is still bearish momentum into the market. But regardless, fingers crossed, we're still waiting for price to not create this 15. If price should trade back to this level, that is still going to be like a good sign for us that we'll be seeing higher prices. But if 15 minutes fair value gap should be created here, that is not a really good sign for our trade currently, because fair value gap coming against your entry is not a good thing. So we're still waiting for what price does. If we go to a lower time frame, 5 minutes, as you can see, 5 minutes created this fair value gap here and came to this level. So let's see what price actually does here. If you actually sweep this level and give higher prices, but I'm hoping to see higher prices from here. That's what I'm actually hoping for to see. So we keep looking at the price and I will keep updating you guys on what price does. Okay, an update on our trade. As you can see, market literally created a fair value gap here, a 15 minutes fair value gap, of which you didn't want to see, but fortunately markets literally created a 15 minutes fair value gap here. So we're still going to wait and see how price literally reacts from this 15 minutes fair value gap. So this was like negative to our trade, because this is going to serve as a resistance for price to continue to the upside. So let's see how price reacts from this 15 minutes fair value gap, and I'll keep updating you guys. So currently we're still in drawdown. We're still in drawdown for about $246. So let's just wait and see what price does. I'll keep updating you guys on everything. But the price is currently going to this level, and let's see how price reacts from this 15 minutes fair value gap. This 15 minute fair value gap can still cause price to go lower though, but you never can tell. But I'm still leaning towards to the upside, bullish, because that's where we took our trade from. So I'll keep updating you guys on everything. And for now, yeah, so back to the trade, guys. We can see that market is about to take us out for a loss. So we're still leaving the market to do its course. But if we should go to the AUD, for no reason it has trend. Like, this was the level we wanted to buy from. We can see that price is actually going to the upside, and now price from this fair value gap, price is creating another potential fair value gap. So this is a good sign for the Australian dollar though. So we tend to like buy the wrong pair, so it's fine. So if at all the Australian dollar is still going up over the Swiss franc, we can rest assured that this next target will be the next liquidity pool for price to target. So this will be the 4-hour lead. If we should go to the daily time frame, we can see that daily time frame is actually giving good momentum to the upside. daily to this place here. So it's actually a good analysis for the AUD overall, but we tend to buy the wrong pair, Euro CHF. So we can see Euro CHF is just consolidating over here, and if you go to our charts, it's almost taking out for a loss. So I bought the wrong pair. The AUD now I feel is stronger, but it's what we're saying. If I should go to Euro AUD, okay, Euro is actually retracing. That's why we're not seeing a lot of strength in the Euro CHF trade. So regardless, we just keep tight and just still wait for the price to hit our stop loss. Let me see, it's almost hitting our stop loss already. Go to this. It's still not hitting stop loss though. So should we close, or should we just allow price to just hit us for full loss? I'll just leave it though, as I've accepted the risk already. So if it hits my stop loss, fine and good. I'm not going to adjust the stop loss to this low. I'm not going to adjust. I'm just going to leave it as it is. If it hits the stop loss, fine and good. If it doesn't hit, good for me. So that's it for today though. I'm going to update you guys tomorrow when I'm done. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.